Hola mga leakers! Welcome back! If you're new to my channel, my name is Sir Kevin. I love to share my skills and knowledge about educational technology. I upload before twice and now 4 times a week. So if you want to learn more about educational technology, subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you will be updated on my latest video. I made series of videos for me to show you how you can use Kotobee Author and Kotobee Reader. For this video, I'm gonna show you how to format text. If you want to check the previous episodes, click the caption above. These are the formatting tools of Kotobee Author. If you're using Microsoft Office, it is almost the same. That is why formatting would be very easy since you are familiar with it. For this demonstration, I have here a set of text. Let's start with paragraph format. Heading 1 is the largest font size. It decreases its size as the heading moves close to heading 6, which is the smallest size among all the headings. Next is changing the font style. Then, changing the font size. Let's make this text bold and italic for this one. Let's add underline, and for this text, strike through, then subscript, we have superscript, make this a list numbered, and this one bulleted. When you click this tool, you can also indent. And of course, you can also decrease or undo the indent. It also has a block quote. When you click the text line, it will automatically change to block quote format. To undo, just click it again. You can align text to middle, right, and left. It has also a weird formatting tool for me. When you click this, the cursor will move to the left and the text alignment will also move to the right. Moving on, changing the font color, let's make it red. You can also change the background color. You can also insert table. identify the number of row and column, and also adding a header. Click this tool if you want to add horizontal line. If you click it again, it will add another one. If you overdo it, just click this button to undo. "100%. Let's add appropriate symbol if you want. There you go. This tool let you find a certain text and you can also replace it. And last, when you click this tool, it will select all the text in just one click. Text formatting tools of Kotobee Author is so simple and direct. Note that it has no spelling checker like in the Microsoft Office. So be careful and don't forget to proofread. For the next episode, if this video helps you a lot, give a like and share to the people you think who needs to see it. Thank you for watching, and I am Sir Kevin. See you on my next video.